Hello and welcome back to my channel, Explaining Biology Clearly. Today we're going to have a look at another type of eukaryotic cell. We're going to be having a look at the plant cells. So if you'd like some information about animal cells, please do have a look at my video on animal cell structure. So plants are another type of eukaryotic cell. These are cells with a true nucleus. The word eu refers to true and the word karyon or karyotic refers to nucleus. So they have a true nucleus. So unlike animal cells, plant cells have quite a regular structure because they can be quite tightly packed, unlike animal cells. So they have quite a regular shape. They're regular in shape. Around the outside, again, unlike animal cells, but similar to fungi and most Protoctista, not all, but most Protoctista, they have around their outside a cell wall, So this is the barrier to the outside, whereas the cell membrane in an animal cell is the barrier to the outside. Underneath the cell wall, they have their cell membrane, like that. So I will draw a line from here to show the similarities in the centre, and on the right hand side the differences. So cell wall on the outside, cell membrane on the inside. They have the cytoplasm on the inside, just like in animal cells, and they also have similar sized nucleus inside the cytoplasm with perhaps a nucleolus inside. The nucleus still contains the DNA, the code for proteins. The nucleolus produces ribosomal RNA. So it produces RNA which will form the ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Other membrane-bound organelles, like the nucleus has a membrane around it. Other membrane-bound organelles you find in plant cells includes the endoplasmic reticulum, so that buds from the surface. And if you want more information on that, the endoplasmic reticulum, I will be making a video on that, so have a look on my YouTube channel. So the endoplasmic reticulum is an interconnected membrane system, a bit like a maze if you're on the inside, and it's connected to the nuclear membrane. If it has ribosomes on its surface, it's the rough ER. If it doesn't, it's the smooth ER. So I've drawn smooth ER there. Also, another membrane-bound organelle that you find in plant cells is the Golgi body. So just like in animal cells. So this is a stack of discs. They're not interconnected like the endoplasmic reticulum. You'll also find mitochondria, smaller than the nucleus, looking something like that. They're sausage-shaped organelles. What else have we got? All ribosomes, of course. You'll find ribosomes in the cytoplasm of the plant cell. And one of the main differences in a plant cell that you'll notice immediately is a very large, permanent, it's always there, vacuole. And this takes up the bulk of the cytoplasm. You find vacuoles in animal cells, but they are very small. They are non-permanent, so they're not always there. But they are there and they do have them, but they tend to be smaller. And sometimes it's difficult to distinguish vacuoles from vesicles. So they are just membrane-bound organelles. They have a membrane around them. And then another difference, which you might be able to guess because I'm going to do it in green. So any ideas what that might be? The other difference between the plant cells and the animal cells is you'll find an organelle, which I'll do down here. I've done it in green because it contains chlorophyll. The other organelle is the chloroplast there, and you'll find multiple chloroplasts depending on whereabouts and what type of cell it is. If it's in the upper layers of the leaf, you'll find lots of them to capture sunlight for photosynthesis. It's a little bit like the mitochondria. Depending on what cell, you'll find multiple. So if a cell requires a high amount of energy in the form of ATP, then it will have many mitochondria to carry out the respiration to produce that ATP. So there's a rough overview of animal cells compared to plant cells. I will be doing more videos on each of these individual organelles, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and come back for more videos. Thank you very much. I hope that helped, and see you later.